All right, I believe that VeChain, that is VET, is going up and it could go up significantly. That is not financial or trading advice. That is my opinion by looking at several things in the market, which I am about to show you. I'll be honest, VET is one of my biggest holdings in crypto. It is one of my favorite coins. I only get FOMO by looking at VET when I look at Solana, which has done this. And I think, it would have been nice to have been in that. Any of y'all that are in Solana, congratulations. Y'all are having one heck of a run. But I also like VET, and it is doing very well itself. Before we take a look at the price and the markets about what price action is telling us, I'm going to go to TradingView, which is one of my favorite tools, and look at their summary of their technical analysis on the 1-day time frame, very short term. It's showing a buy. Oscillators are neutral while moving averages are showing a strong buy. If I go to the 1 week, a strong buy on VET, oscillators buy, moving averages again a strong buy. And on the month long term, they're showing a buy. Oscillators buy, moving averages strong buy. I don't go by this only. I go by this and what I can observe in the markets and by listening to people that are smarter than me and trying to figure out what they think are going to happen in the crypto market soon. And everything I'm hearing is we are in for a fantastic 2024. Now, if you've been watching VET, you have seen that in October, we started the run. It started the run, just like all crypto did. Around 0.016 is where we are. We have since doubled that. Okay, and are trying to get even higher than doubling. We had a good run that looked like that, and then it said, let's make a steeper trend line, and it did something like that, and has been holding up at this level ever since. So VET, like all of crypto, has been doing fantastic over the past couple of months. You see this line coming down right here. It was a trend line. Let's see if I back out here. It was a trend line drawn on the highs, this downward trend on the highs starting back in May of 2022, down, down, down. We easily broke that, and VET has continued all the way up. I will tell you right now, I will be surprised, not dumbfounded, but surprised if we actually see price drop down to this 0.03 level this cycle. Now, what do I mean by this cycle? I mean kind of this run up. How to explain this? Okay, if 2024 is going to be as good as people are saying in crypto, okay, and 2025 as well, and this isn't just random people talking. These are big people in the crypto market who are heavily invested in crypto, and you could say, well, they're heavily invested. They want to push crypto up, and that's 100% true. So you have to take everything you hear and read with a grain of salt, but we can see that price has been moving definitely up, and I'm hearing that we're going to have a fantastic 2024. Okay, so when I say this cycle, I'm saying I guess price could actually break down and move on down and hit 0.03, but I would be surprised with the current news cycle, that is, unless there's some terrible news that comes out worldwide, a worldwide event, or on crypto specifically, something that we don't see on the horizon. I don't see price falling below 0.03 at this point. And it may be, I don't know, not financial advice, but I am long VET, and I do want to see it go up. It may be that 0.03, I'll just say it, we may never see it again. Now, I don't know. We've seen crypto do all kinds of things in, well, across the board. I mean, we can go back and look. Good grief. VET at one point was a high of, what's that, 0.27? So it's still, from its highs, is still 10% basically. It's still experienced a 90% fall. So how can someone say, we may never see it again? I'll put may, okay? I just don't know what the crypto world holds, what the world events hold, but I'm going to say in this current cycle, with what we know right now about crypto and about world events, I believe VET is going to go higher. We're seeing Bitcoin rest up here at its highs. I think the next move for that will be higher. Ethereum is breaking out, resting near its highs. You can see. I think the next move for that will be higher. I do believe we may range toward the end of this year. We've seen that in the past. And it may be toward the beginning of January, first or second week of January before we break out. That is what has happened over the past 2 Januaries. We had our move start in the 1st of January. So be patient. VET is looking fantastic. I love this look. I love that it's resting at its highs and is not pulling back. It could pull back, but I would just see that as a sign. If you're wanting to add more, to get in, whatever you may want to call it, because I think VET is going to move higher in the very near future. Either way, I'll keep you updated. Be sure to stop by. Thanks for watching. Take care.